everybody, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to Kettle Reviews. And today, this will be our 15th Kettle review, and we have 4 products to review. And I hope everybody's doing okay. And today we will be talking about raw sugar. A couple of weeks ago, I did a whole Amazon video on raw sugar and what cold press meant. So I'm gonna put that video up here, and after you watch this video first and then go back and watch that video. And let's get started. The first product we have is raw sugar simple body wash cold press, made with plant derived ingredients and cold pressed extracts for a positive, good, clean skin. Pineapple, marquee berry, and coconut. And it is free of sulfates, parabens, and it is vegan. And this big old bottle right here is 25 fluid ounces. And it has a very good, it's just a very light smell. It's not too strong, and that's what I like. I like things that are not too strong. And it has a very good lather on it. The lather is wonderful. When you're in the shower with it, it kind of, you can smell it, but after you're under the water, it's not too strong. The one thing that I can't say that I don't like about this is that when you're in the water with it, it kind of disappears. But after I got out of the shower, I noticed that once I went back into the bathroom, probably about 30 minutes after my shower, I could smell it all over the bathroom. So I figured that that's because it's vegan, maybe. I don't know, but it is vegan, and that's one thing that you have to always remember, that the vegan products, you know, they're not gonna be so strong and just out there in your face. So it is a very nice soap. And the next product is raw sugar scrub exfoliant. Refresh and replenish, made with plant derived ingredients and cold pressed extracts. And this is also pineapple, marquee berry, and coconut. And this is 15 ounces, and this is the sugar scrub. And the sugar scrub, when you first glance at it, I'll show you guys. I've been working on that. It's almost gone. But when you first get the scrub, you always figure that it's going to be rough and hard and really gritty. But this scrub is not that way at all. It's really creamy almost. It's a cream. You can feel the scrub in there, but it's like really creamy. Once you start working it in, it's like a butter. So I really did enjoy that. It's like a butter. And there was nothing that I didn't like about this product. I did like this a lot. And like I said, this one is 15 ounces. That's 15 ounces for that one. And also, I forgot to tell you guys that the body wash, I gave it 7 tea bags. The body wash had 7 tea bags. And the sugar scrub, I gave it 8 tea bags. 8 tea bags. I really enjoyed that. And then we have raw sugar body butter, moisturizing, smoothing, made with plant-derived ingredients and cold pressed extracts. And it is also pineapple, marquee berry, and coconut. And this is 7 ounces. This is 7 ounces. Right there. And I'm going to open this up so you can see how that looks inside. And it is really creamy. I hope you guys got a good shot right there. It's really creamy. I've been working on this one. Let's see. Shot there. But what I can say about this is that once I put it on my skin, so I don't know if it's because I have dry skin anyways, but once I put this on and I put it on all over my body, it was really drying after about, I'd say probably about 20 to 25 minutes. My skin just felt dry. It was really dry. That's the one thing that I can say about this. And that, like I said, that may be because it's just not good for my skin. Maybe this is just not a good product for that, but it was really drying. But it does feel really good when you first apply it. I'll just say that. When you first apply it. And I gave the body butter 6 tea bags. And the next thing I have is the raw sugar, and this is natural lip balm. Let me give you guys a shot there. So let me pull it back so you can see that. And I can say I love the packaging on this, if I didn't say that already. Love the packaging. And the thing about the lip balm is the same thing as raw sugar, natural lip balm. And this is 0.25 ounces and it's 7 grams. This is very creamy. It's very creamy. It stays on for a long time. You don't have to reapply too fast. What I've noticed about it in the last week or so that I've been using, almost 2 weeks, is that when I applied my lip scrub first, it seemed to make it a little bit more creamy, a little bit more smooth, you know, when I applied it. So that may be something that you might want to do if you get your hands on some of this. And I gave the lip balm 7 tea bags. And if you hear a baby crying in the background, that's just my granddaughter crying. But yes, that's what I can say about all these products. And I did, like I said, I'll put the video up, the first Amazon video that connects with this video. I'll put that up, and go watch that one right now. Go watch that one right now. And then let me know what you think, and tell me what is your favorite raw sugar scent that you use. And I'll see you all next month. Bye.